audience pa siya. Balik na kasi wala sila yung reaction.
Okay, isa pa. Nabuang na.
Okay mo malakpak, manguli na lang ka.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome ang tandem ng bayan. Dito na si Super Tekla!
Super Tekla, are you ready? Oh! Yeah! Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamalasin buong taon.
Back in the saddle, you're the front line, everyone's watching. Palakpakan mo na rin! Pressure's on, you feel it, you got it all, believe it. When you fuck it up, oh, when you fuck it up, Shamina mina sangalewa, this time for Africa. Shamina mina, waka waka, Shamina mina sangalewa, this time for Africa. Hey, Mayo Gabi, everyone! Let's go!
Alive forevermore.
Hindi yan yun! Listen to your heart, this is our motto. Your time to shine, going to the light, you must work harder. People are raising their expectation, going up to the generation. Ayusin ko yan! You feel it, you got it all, believe it. When you lock it up, oh, when you lock it up, Shaminana, Christinawa. Shaminana, waka waka, Shaminana, Christinawa.
Ang saya-saya ang mura ka dyan. Bahala na diyan ka sa bayad
This
ni.
time for Africa. Hey! Tumakitin, magandang gabi! Let's go!
Mas maganda yan kung sabay-sabay.
Sabay-sabay para doon at sigawan!
Hey!
Hey!
Mina. Bakla man siya ka. Hey!
Hey!
Kamay angkos na, mahuman rin ni. Sige.
Shaminamina, Shaminamina, waka waka, Shaminamina, sangalewa, Shaminamina, waka waka, Shaminamina, sangalewa. This time for Africa. This time for Africa. Yeah, they come. Hey. This time for Africa. Kaya pinamatapos yan.
Sa mga dili makahulat, i-take out
This time for Africa.
Hey!
1, 2, 3. This time for Africa.
Okay na yan, patsa na na.
This time for Africa. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Doma, Katawa, thank you and good night.
Nararating palang good night.
Sige, maayong gabi sa tanan.
Hip hip! Hip hip!
5,000, bigyan ng jack-jack.
Yan, come on. May gabi kaniyang kanan, of course. Ayan, it's nice to be back.
Yes, it's our second time.
Gaga, ako lang.
It's nice to hear back.
It's my second time here.
Yeah, me too. I'm the second
Hindi
time.
mo second time. First time mo lang dito.
No.
Manimik ka nga.
Okay.
Ayaw ka na naman sa mga ganyan-ganyan mo. Bumati